Oh, look what I just got delivered today. It's heavy. Not too heavy. That means it's solid quality. I'm going to unbox it for you. Right here, right now. Like this. This is an amazing all-way portable power generator. 300 watts. Pure sine wave. 3 ways of recharging, built-in lithium battery, emergency power supply for outdoors or indoors. Wherever you're at, wherever you need power. I wanted one of these for a while, and camping season is coming for us. And this is going to be great. You want to see it? You want to see it? Packed very nicely. All way. Nice, solid. Look at it. Nice handle. Oh, you see it before me? Ooh, ooh. Oh, smells beautiful. Look at that. Nice and compact. 300 watts. You know that kind of plug. Got the DC inputs. Got 4 USB, 2 amp and 3 amp high speeds. Regular electrical outlet there. Whoa, 1 light, 2 light. SOS. 1 or 2. Nice. I didn't even charge it yet. You know that. I just opened it. Let's see what's in here. There's 3 ways to charge this, and one is through your car power port or cigarette lighter adapter, through your home electrical outlet, which I'm going to charge for the first time, or it also charges by solar, and you can buy a solar panel that would fit this. So say I wanted to charge my phone or something. Let me get my phone charger over here. I have this wireless charger, which I like a lot. Plug it into, well, I didn't charge it yet, but I'm just showing you things it can do. I like the high speed. Then you push this button to power it. Whatever device. Oh, look at that. Can you see that display? And that went on. That's charging now. Nice. So whatever component you want to use or input, press that. Look. Shows you how much power you have left, how many volts you're using. That's great. Let me plug in my studio light there. Like I said, I didn't fully charge this yet. It takes 5 to 6 hours to fully charge that. Let me unplug my studio light. See it get dark? Plug it in here. That's a big light. There it is. See it? See it light up? That's a big, powerful studio light. Nice. 300 watts. You can do a lot with 300 watts. This is great for Cpap machine users. Great for camping, for storms, power failures, emergencies, fishing, camping. Yes. So this port on the back is for your, if you got a solar charger, and also for the car charging port, which would be, say, that. Plug into there like this, which sometime might have to charge it in my car. See? Nice. This goes there, you know that. Plug that into the wall. And you know the types of things this will power. Well, right now I have it on, so I have each function on. I like them. I like looking at them. Nice 11 volts. Look at this. You can charge a phone 55 times. You could run your laptop for 7 hours. You could run a 32-inch TV for 4 hours. Imagine having a big screen TV in your tent. You could run a Cpap machine for up to 25 hours when you use the DC. Mini refrigerator for 5 hours. You can recharge your drones over 10 times. 14 hours for a lamp. So many things you can do with this. It's easy to carry. If you got a solar panel from somewhere, they sell them different places, and I think Harbor Freight has solar panels too. I might get one, plug that in there. So it charges by solar as well. All right, I'm going to fully charge this. Check out the directions a little more. It's pretty simple. Not much to learn here. Plug it in and charge it. And I might cook with it using my Hot Logic. You know, my Hot Logic personal portable oven. I can cook anywhere I am. Just plug this in. See? Pretty long cord. That's nice. And it shows you that it's charging there. And it'll tell you when you're fully charged. See it shows the plug going into the battery. That's really great. I like it a lot. Check it out. I'm going to put a link down there for you. All way. It's solid, strong, rugged, and I'm going to get a lot of use out of it. 3 of those inputs for your chargers, like DC. You know them little round plugs you get? I like the high-speed USB. Practically anything you can plug into there. Alright, thanks for watching. And in a couple days, I'm going to cook with it. I'm going to cook with my Hot Logic. You know what my Hot Logic is, right? You know what my Hot Logic is. My Hot Logic Mini. I can plug that in and cook wherever I am. Or the family size. It'll power that as well. Plug that in there. Oh yeah. It even works while it's recharging. It's great. And then we can cook wherever we are. So easy. Alright, power on the go. We won't worry about power failures no more. Thanks for watching. Check out the all-way portable power pack. Alright, I'll see you soon. I'll charge it up good.